Hi there, welcome to a short video from SMB Solutions Cloud Services on accessing your remote desktop and applications from a Windows machine. On this video, we will go through what you need to do to set up your machine and connect it to the cloud. First things first, you want to open up your control panel from down here in the search bar. And then you want to scroll down to your remote app and desktop connections. Once you're inside here on the left-hand side, you'll see Access Remote App and Desktops. And then you want to type in the link that you see me typing here and your partner would have sent to you already. So that's https://gateway.smbsolutions.com.au and click Next. There we are, and it can see that connection is ready to set up. Now what you want to do is you want to put in your credentials. Now these credentials would have been sent to you from your partner, and the important thing here is you want to make sure you always add in SMB Solutions / first before then putting in your username and password. Now if you wanted to remember you, do click Remember Me so you don't have to type in your password every time, and then click OK when you're ready. Lovely, and now you can see that it has picked up the SMB Solutions Cloud Services, and you can see your resources here. So these are all of your desktop apps. Now rather than having to go through the control panel, it might be a good idea to actually pin this to your start bar. So say for example, if we want to do this to our SAP Business One, you just right click there and pin to start, and that'll make it much easier for you to access. And that's everything. Thank you so much.